Aaron, Valentine's Day is almost here, and that leads to a lot of discussion about love and relationships. But there is also an ongoing dialogue in this country about what constitutes a legal family unit. So for this week's topic, we'll take a closer look at the same-sex marriage ruling from the federal court in Oklahoma. What can you tell us about the current law in Oklahoma?
Well, the voters in Oklahoma passed an amendment to their constitution that states in part, and I quote, "Marriage in this state shall constitute only the union of one man and one woman." This law was challenged in federal court by a pair of lesbian couples in 2004, which is the same year the citizens of Oklahoma placed this ban into the state constitution.
How did the Oklahoma federal court recently rule?
Well, U.S. District Judge Terence Kern recently reached a decision in this case, and he struck down the state's constitutional ban as being contrary to the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution. He stated that this protection, and I quote, "is at the very heart of our legal system."
What has been the reaction, and does that mean that same-sex marriage is approved to move forward in Oklahoma?
Well, Governor Mary Fallin spoke out against the ruling and expressed that the court defied the views of 75% of the citizens of Oklahoma, who voted in favor of limiting marriage to one man and one woman. The governor stated, and I quote, "I am disappointed in the judge's ruling and troubled that the will of the people has once again been ignored by the federal government." However, same-sex marriages are not scheduled for any time soon in Oklahoma. The court has put a hold on its ruling to provide time for appeals.
Aaron, what's the bottom line?
Well, the Supreme Court historically has not become involved in state-by-state variations of constitutional amendments on this topic. But if this case makes it to the Supreme Court, this ruling could have an impact on a national level.